Hey guys, thank you. Give me 1 second to share my screen. All right, just want to take a few minutes to go through the 0.6.5 release. 3 quick things. Most of this work is actually Jesus's work, so think of me as virtual Jesus today. He couldn't make the meeting. Before I dive in, one quick bonus announcement for the Octo Innovation Program. Jesus told me to tell everyone that the deadline is end of day April 30th. So please, if you have a proposal, please get that submitted. All right, so I'm going to show you 3 quick things in the latest release for 0.6.5 for Focalboard. Thank you everyone who's been participating, and thank you everyone who's been sharing this. It's been the response has been amazing. This release is the first one with a lot of community contributions. And one quick reminder is that it's a great open source project for Open Source Fridays, and we are preparing this out. We're planning to send focal mugs to contributors. So if you want your focal mug, 15-ounce focal mug, so it holds more caffeine, please get your contributions in. All right. So 3 quick things about 0.6.5. So again, a reminder that anyone can access Focalboard. Just go to any channel on the community server, click the Focalboard button, and it'll open a workspace for that channel. So only members of that channel can view it. So here's a little quick demo I set up. The first feature is a gallery view. So we now have a gallery view in Focalboard. As you can imagine, it's great for showing pictures. It basically shows the first image in the card content. So you can just add an image by clicking add content and selecting image here. So uploading photos, screenshots, pictures of people, etc. So this is a great new kind of gallery view. You can drag and rearrange these items as you can imagine. Second feature is checkboxes. Oops, wrong one, this one. So checkboxes. So we now have a checkbox work item. So these are great for, as you can imagine, subtasks. I can say, like here are the subtasks for this, and I can check and uncheck them as I kind of complete my task. And when I'm completed, I can then mark the card complete. So checkbox property item. And the third thing is more translations. So if you go to settings, set language, you can see that this list has dramatically expanded. The full list is in the release notes. And more importantly, Jesus has set up the translation server. So it's very easy to add new translations. So if your favorite language is not in this list, please, I guess, ping Jesus or look at translation server to add that. So thanks. Go check out the release notes for links to download from the app stores for Mac, Windows, Linux, as well as to update your server. And by the way, there's also a new one-line. I added the one-line Docker install command in the install guide. So thanks.